Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the semi-upgraded Carbide in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw his eye area first. So we're going to start out kind of like the brow area. So we're going to come, it's almost like a two mean brow. And then we're just going to come down, and this is going to be the bridge of his nose. And then we'll just close that off for now. And so let's draw in the actual eyes opening area. So we're going to draw, you can draw two little slants like this. And just close it off. And close it off. Okay, mine is a little bit crooked, but let's keep going. So from here we're going to continue on with his mask. So right here we're just going to come down and just kind of come down and just kind of hook it back in. It's a little bit tricky, so we're going to come down and just kind of hook it back into the nose. And then from here we're going to draw in the rest of the mask on the bottom. So we're going to come down and then from here we can draw his nose. So it's very similar to Omega, but just, you know, this area is a little bit open. It doesn't have the face mask here. That's gonna be his mouth. Let's just draw one line. And then his lower lip. And then for his upper lip, we'll just draw two little peaks. Okay, so then from here now we can just draw in, just kind of come out a little bit on the corner. Then we're gonna come down. Close that off with a slight slant. Now draw his chin, so we're just going to continue this line and just kind of flatten it out and just close it. Alright, and then so let's see, let's go up on the face mask. We're going to go up, go over, slant inward. So there's a little bit of a tricky angle here. Come back down and just close it off with a flat again. Okay, and then from here let's draw in kind of the back of the head. Just extend this line a little bit and then just angle it in slightly. And now we're just gonna go all the way around. Just gonna go up, and it's gonna be a little bit flat on the top. Just round it off. Okay, and then here let's draw in those two lines. So just kind of continue this line over, draw another line there. Alright, so that's his head. So let's move on to the armor. So this is a slightly upgraded version. I don't know what level. I think it's level 10 or 20. So we're going to come down for his shoulder pads area and the neck. And we're going to close it off. Nice thick shoulder pads on the top. Come out for his shoulder, nice and wide. Just come down slightly. Then we're going to come in. We're just drawing his upper shoulder pads first. And then just connect those. And while we're here, let's add in a little bit of detail on the neck. Alright, so now we can draw in let's draw in the rest of the body. So back to this point, we're just gonna come slant all the way down, pinch it all the way down to his waist. Okay, and then here, just kind of come down a little bit with a slight slant, and then we're gonna curve it, just connect it with it. Okay, so let's see, let's draw in some of the details on this body here. So right here, we're just gonna curve all the way down. Just kind of continue this line, curve all the way down. And then right around here, we can just draw two lines and leave a little space because I want to add a little bit of detail. So if you don't want to do that, you can just go all the way across. And then here, we're going to add, just kind of continue that line. And then right here, we're going to draw the abs section. There's going to be 1, 2, and 3 lines. And then we're going to end it with another curve. All right, and two more lines here on the side. So now let's draw in the little glowing part here. And then middle here, we can draw in this just a small little rectangle. Just a little more detail. Okay, so let's move on to the arm. And so the shoulders here just come out. Here's the armpit, which is gonna come out. This is gonna be his shoulder. His bicep. Close it off. And then the arm, we're gonna start here. Come out. Curve it in. Pinch it smaller. Close it off. And then his thumb. Back of the hand, fingers folded in. All right, and let's add in the little glowing strip here. All right, so let's move on to the other arm. So this one is I'm gonna have him hold a pistol. So just come out. Okay, shoulder, bicep here. And it's in a slightly different position, so we're gonna pinch the corner there, and then we're gonna start here. We're gonna come out, just kind of slightly pinch it in, close that off, and let's add in the strip. Is gonna be a little bit right there. We can probably see a little bit of it. Okay, so then for his hand, come out. His thumb, his palm, and then the trigger finger is going to be out here, and then we're going to draw 3 more fingers. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. And now for the grip, the pistol. All right, so we'll keep it simple. And then for the pistol itself, we're just going to draw 1 line. Then we're gonna go up, and then we just go back. So we'll just keep it simple. Give it a little slant, and then a detail on the back here. Let's draw 1 line across and just kind of turn it down. You can add some details, some slanted lines here, some back here, and let's draw in. Well, let's finish this off. Let's close that off. The tip, sight, and let's give him the laser sight. All right, so whatever you do here, just a simple little gun, nothing too fancy. All right, and then we're gonna close off, gotta finish off the hand there, so just close that off. All right, so now let's move down to his leg. So in the middle, just come down, draw a little line, and we're gonna curve it out. And then here we're going to continue this curve, go out, pinch it in, and then this knee pads just kind of go up, just kind of curve it a little bit. And we can draw in the knee pads here, down, close it off, and let's add a little bit of detail, just draw this another line, same as that. Okay, so let's move on to the other legs. So we're going to come down. Just kind of use this as a guide to how far. Come out, pinch back in, and go up and just curve it. Okay, knee pad, just kind of come down, close it off, and again the same detail, just another curve. All right, and then the lower legs. From there, just flare it out. Pinch it in, dome shape. Well, legs here are all the same. You guys probably know how to do this already without watching this, right? Okay, so that's one, and then let's go on to the other one. Just flare it out. Pinch it in, close it off. All right, and then the details here, middle, just draw a little line and then just kind of come out. So middle, just go out to the side, and it's got some really cool details here. So here's the little circle, just draw like a little curve like this, and on the inside just draw another one. And here, curve, smaller one on the inside. Okay, and then from here, from the circle area, just kind of come down straight, and then we're gonna go in this way. Just go all the way down and out. And then it's got those glowing strips here, so we're gonna draw 2. So we'll go 1 and 2, and then we're gonna draw the same thing on this side. And that is it for this semi-upgraded Carbide. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.